The two stab links, super done. Two stab links are super done. These are supposed to be connected. That's why this shit's hanging down. And then you got your axle. The axle is torn. The axle boot. You know what I'm saying? Look how much the piston is out. This is why your pad is sinking. Your pedal is sinking because the piston is all the way out for the caliper to compensate for the pad. What's this? This is the shoe? Oh my god, it broke off. The shoe literally just fell off. That's crazy. Just don't use the handbrake then.